So no matter which age you are, acne is not the most fun thing in the world. While it's not a serious health threat, it can affect your self-esteem, your how you feel about yourself. We can experience acne at teenage, of course, from hormonal changes, but we can experience it also as adults. For women, it can be connected to the cycle, so it can be maybe that you experience it every month closer to your cycle, and then it goes down like this. It's very natural and very maybe it's just like from a period of stress or not so good eating or sleeping that you get some breakouts. So I want to share some tips that can help you avoid and treat acne as a lifestyle, basically. So first thing, most important, of course, is cleaning. So you want to do a proper cleaning. You want to clean your face twice a day with a soap that is natural and without like harsh chemicals, so it's gonna dry your skin and create more breakouts. If you wear makeup in the night, of course, you never go to bed with makeup. No. So you remove your makeup with a natural makeup remover, and then you cleanse the skin. And in the morning as well, so you prepare your skin for what you're gonna apply on it later, and remove the dead skin cells. So number one, cleaning. You do moisturize every day. Some people think that if they have a oily skin or they have breakout, they need to use these oil-free products, and these are just drying the skin, and excessive dryness create breakout. So also oily skin needs moisturizing. You do need to choose the specific one for oily skin, or a moisturizing that is help treating acne. For example, when I create the acne treatment face cream, I use oils that are disinfecting and support the health of the skin, like sage, like tea tree, like lemon, etc. You want to change your pillowcase once a week, let's say, or put a small towel on it, because it touches your face and it's not, and you know, it's whatever touch your face for a few hours, you want to keep it clean. Same with your towel. If you can, it's better to separate your face towel from the other towels that you use for your body or your hands. You can get these small towels that like cost almost nothing, and use them for your face. Think about it like a canvas, that it needs to be treated different than the rest of the body. As well, when you wash your laundry, use natural laundry soap and not one with perfume or chemicals, because it's just gonna trigger the breakouts. You want to choose as well your right shampoo and conditioner, because the one that contains a lot of chemicals and stuff, they come on your skin as well from the side of the head and can create breakouts. In general health, it's better to use SLS free and like paraben free shampoo and conditioner. That's another topic, but it's also good for your skin. Avoid touching your face too often. Never try to pick cleansing facial that will clean the skin for you, and will do it without creating any extra scars. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize, but our mobile devices, our phone, are not the cleanest thing in the world. Putting them on your cheeks is no. So try to speak with a headset or with Bluetooth. And because I guess saying clean your phone all the time is not like gonna be really happening, but try to keep it away from your face. Another thing, exercise, moving, it moves the blood circulation in the body and helps detox and helps remove the toxins from your body. Besides that, it makes you feel good. And of course, get yourself in a routine of a regular, good, professional facial. Will remove the dead skin cell, will create a clean skin, and also you can get the best advice of what to use and what to not. Regarding nutrition, The first thing I say, okay, avoid sugar and fatty and deep fried stuff. These are just not good for you overall. But cow milk creates moist in the body. And moist is a very good place for bacteria to grow. You don't want this. Try to avoid or eliminate or reduce your cow milk product consumption and see what's happening. Also, cows are all the time pregnant, so they have constantly hormones in the body that you don't want. Now, you don't have to be radical in any way, but use your common sense and try to have more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Will keep your skin healthier and glowing. I hope it helps a little bit, and you can get your skin much cleaner and smoother and healthier with applying these tips and getting yourself a regular facial.